1 minute speech by Chiranjeevi Lakshmi Purna Sadhvi on English Day.
To all my dear friends, respected sir and principal ma'am, and my English teachers and all my teachers. Now I would like to speak a few words about my opinion of celebrating the English Day. The English Day is the day which we celebrated. This is the first time which I have celebrated English Day in my entire life. So I thought that this English Day may improve a lot in everyone's spoken skills, which may correct some error mistakes. So it may help us in our future whenever we go for any job or anywhere for different countries. At that time, we may even speak English, and which helps us to get new jobs or anything. I'm very thankful for you all for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.